Hi everybody, it's Justina Howard of Aware Cosmetics. It's time to do a little spring cleaning, which includes throwing away expired products in your makeup bag. I'm going to give you the rundown on how long you should keep products before getting rid of them. First up, gel or liquid eyeliners last 6 months to a year. Eyeliner pencils, 1 year. Make sure to sharpen them to keep them sanitized. Mascaras, 3 to 6 months. Remember, pumping the one into the tube puts air into it, which can dry out the formula and bacteria can set in. Blush, eyeshadow, and powder cosmetics have 1 to 2 years of shelf life. Powders last longer than the cream formulas because they don't contain oils. Now, if you have oily skin or eyelids, make sure that you clean your brushes after each use so that the oils are not transferred back into the product, which can cause bacteria to set in. Cream or liquid foundations last 6 months to 2 years. If the foundation is in a pot or a jar, discard it within 6 months. If it's in a pump, it'll last up to 2 years. Lipsticks and lip glosses have a shelf life of 2 years. After using your lip gloss, make sure to wipe it off with a little alcohol on a napkin to sanitize. Any natural mineral products expire within 3 to 6 months. This is due to them not having preservatives. Remember, if the product smells funny or the product color changes, it's time to get rid of it. Be careful when using creams and or gels in a pot or a jar because they do have a shorter shelf life due to you double dipping into the product with your brush, which can cause bacteria to set in. Now, the best way to know when to discard of makeup is to write the expiration date on the actual product or on a small little label with a waterproof pen or marker. There you have it. I hope this information has made you more aware. Until next time, stay beautiful.